Hi, I'm Alison, and in my English lesson today, I'm covering the 44 sounds for children. Now, in most schools, the first thing they teach is the sound of the letters of the alphabet, and that's a good place to start. But they really do need to know that there's 44 sounds of the English language. And this chart that I developed here will really help them to understand how reading and writing fits together with letters, sounds and words, and it can make it so much easier for them when they're learning. Now, what I want to cover first is how the alphabet sounds tie in with this chart that I have here. So what I'm going to do is first of all circle all the sounds on this chart here that relate to the alphabet. So we'll start with the letter A. Just write that there. The letter A makes the sound A, and it's this sound here that relates to the letter A. Then we have the letter B, which is B, and it's this here, B in tub. And then C says K, and it's this word here, K, as in kit, that I just circled. And then we have D, D, as in dog. E is a vowel sound, and it says E, as in bed. And then F says F. So we have this sound here, F, as in fox, F, as in fox. And G is G, as in gull, G, gull, G. H makes the sound H, as in hat, hat. Now this is a short vowel sound, I, as in in, pen, I. And the letter J is J, jet. Now the letter K is K, and it has the same sound as the letter C, as we did K, kit. Same sound as C. The letter L says ul, as in leg. And we have M. So we got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. We're up to M. It says as in map. Now the next letter is N. And this is N, as in nut. N, as in nut. O has the sound O when you're teaching just letters of the alphabet. O, as in pot. And we've got the sound of the letter P, which is P, P, as in P, pet. Q actually has the same sound. It doesn't say Q, it says K. It's the U that makes the W after the Q. K, W, Q. But the Q itself says K. Same sound as the letter C here, and same sound as the K. So that's actually one sound that's taken up for 3 letters. And if we have a look, it's just still K, as in kit, letter Q. Now let's do the letter R that makes the sound as in rat. And rat. And the next letter of the alphabet is S, and that makes the sound S, as in sun, sun. And we have the letter T, which is T, as in tin, tin. And the next in the alphabet is the letter U that makes the sound A as in cut, A. Then V is the next letter, which is a consonant sound, and it makes the sound V, V, as in van. V says van. Now we have W, and W, it does not say W. You don't, if we have W here in wig, wig, we don't go what ig, we don't go what a ig, we just go woo. The W makes the sound woo, wig, wig, wig. Then we have X, which is mostly found at the end of words except for a few. And the letter X in English makes the sound ks, ks, as in, it's not on this chart because X makes two sounds, the K and the S. So it is covered by the K and the S sound, which is ks, as in box, fox. Now the letter Y. The letter Y makes the sound Y, as in yam, ye, yam. It's not y, as in am. You can't say it like that. It's not am, it's yam. So it makes the sound ye. Letter Z is a sound that sounds like z, as in zip, z, zip. So now they are all the sounds of the letters of the alphabet covered. And if we count those sounds up, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. When we cover the sounds, just the sounds of the letters of the alphabet, we're only covering 23 sounds. Your child is missing out on a whole 21 sounds. All of these other sounds aren't covered by the sounds of the letters of the alphabet. So it's okay to start them by teaching them the sounds of the letters of the alphabet. That is fine. But you had want to cover these 44 sounds in a chart like this so they understand that there's 44 sounds. It's so important. They must be able to say and pronounce these 44 sounds individually so they truly understand the sounds the English language is made up of. So what I'm going to do now is I've rubbed out everything to do with the alphabet, I know. We just might move this up just a little bit so it's more central. I'm going to now cover properly the 44 sounds of the language, not just the 26 letters of the alphabet. So obviously I will go over each column of sounds. So all these sounds here are the short vowel sounds. So you say them fast, like a, e, o, a, o, You say them fast and short. Now, the next lot of sounds, these sounds here, are the long, steady vowel sounds. And they're said, when you say them obviously long. So this would be a, o, e, u, That's how you say them. Now these vowel sounds are unsteady. Like you say it, you start to say a vowel sound and then another vowel sound comes in. So it's sort of like two vowel sounds in the one sound, just a little bit of each vowel. So the way this sounds is I, O, A, ear, ow, air, oi, It's very different to the short and it's very different to the long steady vowel sound because the short vowel sound sounds ah. the long steady vowel sounds ah, and the unsteady vowel sounds like I. It's unsteady. It changes. I. And the consonant sounds, well, there's many consonant sounds, and they're just basically sounds that are stopped by the teeth, the tongue, the lips, or the throat. They're different to the vowel sounds. So we're going to go over this chart now, and this is a chart that you can show your child, and you can show them just this part of the video to help them to learn the 44 sounds. So let's do it. Ah, as in cat. Ah. Eh, as in bed. Eh. I, as in pin. I. O, as in pot. O. A, as in cut. A. U, as in book. U. As in agree. Ah, as in glass. Ah. Or, as in fork. Or. E, as in pony. E. U, as in moon. U. As in her. I, as in kind. I. O, as in boat. O. A, as in play. A. Ear, as in cheer. Ear. Ow, as in town. Ow. Air, as in chair. Air. Oi, as in toy. Oi. Ua, as in tour. Ua. Now we'll do the consonant sounds. P, as in pet. P. B, as in tub. B. T, as in tin. T. D, as in dog. D. K, as in kit. K. G, as in gull. G. F, as in fox. F. V, as in van. V. As in both. V, as in with. V. S, as in some. S. Z, as in zip. Z. Sh, as in ship. Sh. J, as in treasure. J. H, as in hat. As in rat. Ch, as in lunch. Ch. J as in jet, J. As in map, as in nut, as in ring, Y as in yam, Y. Woo as in wig, woo. Ul as in leg, ul. Thank you for watching that. Now, if you just teach your child these 44 sounds, or if you're a child watching this, I don't know how many children are on the YouTube nowadays. I think they all are, but I'm not sure what age. Learn the 44 sounds. If you learn the 44 sounds, you really do have a good command of saying the words correctly, speaking the words clearly. Now I'm going to go over them again, but I'm going to do it fast. A as in cat, E as in bed, I as in pen, O as in pot, A as in cut, U as in book, as in agree, A as in glass, O as in fork, E as in pony, U as in moon, as in her, I as in kind, O as in boat, A as in play, ear as in chair, ow as in town, air as in chair, oi as in toy, ua as in tour, p as in pet, b as in tub, t as in tin, d as in dog, k as in kit, g as in gull, f as in fox, v as in van, f as in both, v as in with, s as in sun, z as in zip, sh as in ship, zh as in treasure, h as in hat, as in rat, ch as in lunch, j as in jet, as in map, as in nut, as in ring, y as in yam, w as in wig, ul as in leg. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps. Please go to my YouTube channel, my website. It has a lot of information that can help you as an adult learning English, or even your child that needs help. And I'll see you in all my videos. Bye for now.